How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be changing the brakes on the Evo. I've got these beautiful RotorPros, aka Centric, aka StopTech rotors, and just out there I've got DS 2500s from Ferodo, and we're going to be installing them. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, these are, they could have done a track day. It's hardline that goes into a bracket that has bolts in the back. So I gotta take that out. Dude, these are on. I heard something. Yeah, me too. It seems like we've gone like 1 singular millimeter. I'm legitimately just not strong enough for this. And I'm like, I don't have leverage either. That did nothing.
Looks like you just went. Yeah. At least that's more than before.
Okay. That's good. Well, I mean, we went in 2 millimeters. Good job, man. That's 2 millimeters more than I did. This is how easy it should be to go in. A la main. Yeah. Literally, a la main. Oh. Hold on. Just wait. Oh, that's some clearance, dude. Wow. I can't believe that. That actually just went on. Now time to put the fun stuff back in. Oh wait, I can just put this one in OEM like that. These are the ones I cleaned too. I should be able to do this. There we go. Ouch. Let me just like a nice little stream going out of there.
That was the longest front end brake job I've ever seen so far.
Yeah, but we had a seized piston.
Yeah, I mean, wow.
Don't you know, it is getting hard, it is getting hard, hard. I need secrets to be a part.
Ready to see the cutest pads in existence, but still almost the same size as GTS fronts?
No way, that is not the size of GTS fronts. GTS fronts are
GTS
way bigger.
Like
I need secrets to be a part of me.
we have to take off that soft line. Alright.
What?
Did I hit the stud?
I don't think so.
Oh my god, I actually did. Oh no.
I think you're good. I think it's just gonna be bent.
Alright, peoples of the universe. These I did not know existed. There are pins that go through the back of your hub and they will break. So prepare to get another pin, another hat, and you can probably reuse your spring. These keep your handbrake in place, and yeah, prepare for that to break and get new ones.